हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू कमोडिटी मार्केट अपडेट विद एसडी। मैं हूं एसडी शानंद दास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट. In this commodity video of mine, I'm going to express my ideas, what are the kind of trades I am doing. But you should remember risk management rule number 1, that you should not listen to others and trade. And SEBI, which is our regulator, Security Exchange Board of India, is always warning against listening to others and trade. But I think as I discuss what trade I'm doing or what I'm thinking about, it could help a lot of beginners to have a system of thinking. Let me take you to the chart, and in the chart I'm going to use special type of indicators which I have created for myself. If you want to use it as well as access my psychology class along with the access to the indicators along with the classes regarding the trading setup, etc., not fundamental, if you want that, you can reach out to SD Rainbow System, which will take you to my web page, and by learning more you will land on Elon Markets page where you can subscribe to my setup as well as classes if you want. But it's up to you. Let's start with aluminium. And in aluminium, I'm going to use the commodity setup. मेरा जो commodity setup है within Asset Master, I'm going to use that one. So Asset Master के अंदर I prefer the 2-hour chart or the daily chart. और नीचे जो मीटर है ये एब्सोल्यूट स्ट्रेंथ दिखाता है, where I can see for in 2-hourly chart, gold, silver, aluminium, zinc are on the rising mode. Two are strong, aluminium and zinc. Copper and crude oil more WTI, more falling mode. Natural gas is more of a range bound. Strongest in the group has been natural gas, followed by aluminium. Then it is the zinc, then crude oil, then of course the gold, silver, and the weakest has been copper. Now aluminium in the daily chart, it has started reversing if I use the rainbow chart or the line chart. एक ब्यूटीफुल कमबैक हम लोग देखे थे. I have highlighted this. My initial entry उतना it was not so great because there is a resistance. उससे बेहतर trade available थे. So it was a choice कि aluminium, let's not do it for now. Asset Master, it has been turning bullish, no doubt about it. A good entry point अगर मुझे 2-hourly chart में चाहिए, I need a buy support, and buy support के लिए I need the price action bullish, which is not there. So what the alert I'm going to place? Let me show you. Price action bullish. Also, I preferably would not want the white cross to be outside the candle, which is a warning for. So price action bullish alert as well as this breakout level alert of 245.75 I will place. Next is copper. Copper we are looking similarly. First the line chart को थोड़ा देखेंगे, adjust करते ही आ गया. Now we'll look at the daily chart. बहुत टाइम से एक रेंज में बिता रहा है, स्ट्रेंथ मोमेंटम स्ट्रेंथ नहीं आ रहा है. Gradually copper is going up. I think copper could be better for investment, DBB and CPER. Right now there is no derivative trade, it's too squeezed a candle, and 2-hourly chart is very much mixed with support and close by resistances. Next I'll look at zinc. For base metals, as LME ka chart is not available, it's better to watch the MCX chart. Zinc tough resistance, लगता है रेंज बाउंड रहने का चांस है बिटवीन 250 एंड 255. फर्दर 255 के ऊपर जब ब्रेक आएगा देन जिंक में टर्न स्ट्रॉन्ग. जिंक का डेली चार्ट इट्स रेंज बाउंड चार्ट. नीचे का सपोर्ट एज आई से 250 के पास. मेन अपर रेजिस्टेंस 263 बट इंटरिम रेजिस्टेंस 256, 55.9 इसीलिए 256. So for more we am interested in than base metals in on the gold, silver, crude and NG. So gold, it is range bound. I'm waiting patiently for the opposite turn. As I said in many a class, I'm interested. Yesterday we tried a little short position in gold. It did not, can't say it worked out a lot. Ye raha. Bounce back and now gold is lower, much lower, further lower. But all this trade is still bear जो है kind of a contra trade against the trend. So gold can be further bearish tonight, which we have understood yesterday in our marathon session, live marathon. What could be driving the gold lower? What is the theme? Overall, I will look for short opportunity in gold, but still now not aggressive. I want to trade gold in the daily chart. And with 2 hours small participation, largely this is I'm taking the temperature or with real money feeling from the market. I usually use the FOMO quantity for this kind of trade, which is 20% usually max of my capacity. Silver had a good fall, but now it is consolidating. For further selling, I need price action bearish. Price action bearish alert will help me and further breakdown chahiye below 36.29 crossing down. Crude oil yesterday was a very good rise from the WTI. Let's look at the WTI. Tried a break, then failed. We were expecting bullish range. It was previous important level 6,600. If you look at the crude oil MCX chart, exchange USD, silver as we speak, silver is weakening. Just like gold, we'll soon take a look at silver. A very sharp fall in. Sorry if the sound is coming. I've kept the windows and the balcony open. So आज मॉर्निंग पे स्कूल के बच्चे जाते हैं तो गाड़ी तो आवाज थोड़ा आ सकता है. प्लीज डोंट माइंड दैट. तो जो मैं बोल रहा था, क्रूड ऑयल एक्सपीरियंस्ड अ वेरी वेरी शार्प ऑपोजिट डिक्लाइन. ये डिक्लाइन देख के डायरेक्ट पता नहीं चलता, सो आई प्रेफर द इंटरनेशनल चार्ट. So international chart, I see the crude oil to be very much range bound. जो profit कल आया आ गया, now we have to wait patiently. So asset master में भी मैं देख सकता हूँ background yellow, white cross outside candle body, so not so hot candles are forming right now. Now let's get to the silver. It tried to give, but I don't have the price action bearish. It was a spike. एक spike से नीचे जाने की कोशिश. Or I could have placed the alert at the wrong place, but mainly I'm waiting for the price action to be bearish, and here or price action to be the opposite side. अगर buy में चाहिए तो the alert is rainbow buy, and sell के लिए price action bearish right now is needed. Now we'll take a look at the last counter, that is the natural gas. And natural gas is NG1. It's going strong so far. Daily chart, it has trying to give a straightforward comeback and very likely heading towards the main resistance of 4.40. Means another 10% rise is possible, but now it is very much close to the resistance area. So थोड़ा cautious रखे further add करने से पहले. If you are continuing with the trade, different, but new position at this point remains slightly tricky and risky. Risk is more if I enter now, rather I'll wait for a mega correction in daily and then see what's going on with natural gas. So these are my trade, not necessarily आपको similar follow करना है, but natural gas I have been closely watching the base formation and it is still, I can't say that range has escaped. I will not be surprised if natural gas corrects back and finally much later part it goes for the bullishness. That bullishness, so it could be reaching a tipping point. 4.09 4.10 area पे resistance है. If I look at Indian natural gas, similar picture, lot of resistance, so kind of a box range. I think very likely it could go for a correction and then break higher, but that's a possibility. Also direct break, that's also a possibility given the sensitivity of the geopolitical situation in the Middle East and Russia, who are main crude oil and natural gas suppliers. So anything might be happening with the geopolitics. So be cautious. That's why मुझे better entry points चाहिए in natural gas, not right now. Thank you, friends. I hope this small video was helpful for you. अगर help हुआ, don't forget to put a thumbs up. All the best from my side to your trading, and as always, happy trading.